Welcome to another stock market analysis video. Philippine Stock Exchange Index weekly candle down negative 3.79%, and also the overall direction ng market is downtrend pa rin. So we'll see next week kung paano magre-react yung market after this one. So let's proceed with some trending stocks that is on our list. First on our list is LTG. And LTG, strong uptrend stock. Pero if we look at the bigger picture, we will we can notice that it's already on its resistance price at 15 pesos. Yan dito. May resistance na siya dito. Ano na resistance? Dito sa 15 pesos, and may malaki tayong chance na nakikita na magkakaroon ng downtrend action next week or magkaroon ng consolidation sa mga candles nito on this level. Next is SGP. SGP naman nagkaroon ng strong breakout dito sa 13 pesos level, and nagkaroon to ng run after that. But this week, nag-close yung stock with a doji, showing signs of undecisiveness of the market players or traders. So potentially, pwedeng bumaba to this week or magkaroon muna ng consolidations on this area. Next is MRC. MRC naman nag-close ito sa piso, psychological price point, doji pa siya. So bumaba ito last week ng negative 6.54 from this candle. Pero dahil nag-close to with a doji, it seems na there are traders na optimistic pa rin to hold this stock. And I'm looking at the 1.08 level, resistance level, na pag na-break ito, may tendency na magkaroon ng continuation yung uptrend movement ni MRC. Next on our list is PX. PX naman nag-breakout siya sa 7.38. Itong level na to. Breakout siya ng 7.38, and resistance will be at 9.23. So, paano natin nakuha yung 9.23? Tinignan natin yung history niya. So, historically, dito sa 9.23 area or level, makita natin na nagre-resist yung price. So, potentially, ito yung magiging resistance level niya, yung 9.23. I'm expecting this to move further, and pag na-hit yung 9.23 na price, magkakaroon ng resistance or consolidation on this area dun sa na-plot natin na resistance area. So yun, newbie tip, don't simply rely sa mga matutunog na stocks or trending stocks. So first, do your research bago mag-decide if you will go in and do a setup or conditions na susundan. So if you will go in, baka kasi ma-hype lang and not knowing patapos na pala yung trend and yung stock na yun, and you will end up pit sa stock. And yun, thank you for watching, and palike and subscribe to support this channel, and see you on the next video.